Hi everybody, this is the view of the waterfall looking down instead of looking up from the previous video. This time I'm going to show you all the view from the top down. If I'm going to get to there. Whew. It's a really steep climb. Oh my god. There it is. Whew. There we go. It's gonna be more going up, but I'm not gonna do that today. I think I'm just gonna stop right here where the waterfall is. And that's where I was at the bottom earlier. This is up to from the bottom. Beautiful, isn't it? Alright, I think this is gonna be the last video for the day. I hope you all enjoy this. That's the trail going down. Again, please subscribe and show your support. I would be very motivated to make better videos in the future. Until next time, ciao.